My experience in the program has been amazing.
I'm 3 years in and I have had a great time. I've made so many connections with my professors and fellow peers, and I truly believe those connections have furthered me in my career field.
I did not have any experience at all before I started studying cybersecurity. I don't feel like I had to play catch up at all. I was just kind of eased into it, which I really liked.
Professors here are literally there for you to see you succeed, because at the end of the day, they want you to have that job. They want you to have that experience that can not only make your career great, but also make the security landscape much better.
My professors have done a really great job to make themselves available to their students.
It's really easy to go up to them and ask them a question or for help in an assignment or project.
A lot of them have came from actual job experience. So not only are you getting the content given to you by a professional, but also you get the business side behind it.
With the cybersecurity department being in the School of Business, I think I'm able to get an overall understanding of how the business field works and how to not only market my knowledge, but market myself and be able to walk into spaces and tell people what I understand and help them understand it as well.
If you're interested in cybersecurity, feel free to come to campus and we'd love to have you.